Alrighty. That jack stand don't look real safe. Is why we're doing this. I don't know if there's an airplane going over. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it or not, but there's the seal. Well, I reckon we're gonna need new brakes, and I think you can get those as a assembled unit on a backing plate. My brother-in-law was telling me about it. It's got the magnet and everything on it. So right now where I'm at on this, I'm gonna try to run the wires for the lights through some conduit. I don't know how well it'll work. If it's not going to work, not a big deal. And I'm also thinking about welding a just a little plate here off the edge to maybe mount some lights to. It's got places on the back of it. The round ones, the flush mount, but I don't have those. I got just the Harbor Freight cheap kit. And I bought a junction box to mount on the front. But what I do need so far is I need to get the decking. I found it, 2x6x20s, pressure treated. Got to cut them down to 17 foot. They are 16 roughly dollars a piece, and I need 7 of them. I've already got the carriage bolts, got the nuts and the washers, and I got carriage bolts for the sides too. But I don't have the boards for that. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do for that yet. I'm not worried about the sides right now, but let's see, the backing plate with the brakes, the magnet. I need to get some more wire to do the electric brakes, and bearings, races, seal, grease, and I don't know how much all that stuff's gonna cost. I have to look it all up. But I'm gonna try to make some little some little miniature sawhorses out of the decking that came off the trailer. Instead of just throwing them away, I might just try to make something just to help hold this thing up, because it's on 2 little jack stands right now on patio pavers, and it's a little sketchy.